In this video, I will show how to wipe a Chromebook to brand new from the Settings menu. Step 1. Simply go to the Settings app. Step 2. Select the System Preferences option. Step 3. Scroll down to the Reset section. Here you will see the Powerwash option. Step 4. Click on the Reset button next to the Powerwash, and then click on Restart to reboot your Chromebook device. Next method, factory reset Chromebook without password. Step 1. Press the Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus R keys together. Step 2. Select the Restart option once the screen is displayed. Step 3. Click on the Powerwash button. Next, click on the Continue button to start the resetting process. The message "Welcome to Chromebook" will be displayed. Now successfully you can wipe your Chromebook.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informational videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and share.